Howdy folks, back here. Just wanted to do a follow-up video that I've been talking about doing for a while. Like I said, I got some stuff coming for this, and it's already on, in process of being put on for other parts, but this video was just a quick recap there of the power that this thing put down on the dyno this past summer. So anyways, with that said, there was a diesel dyno event, luckily close to the house, so I was actually able to make it to that. Hopefully in the future I'll be making it to at least a couple of events a year, just as either a spectator or something, and maybe to try and maybe compete in eventually, but that's gonna be a long ways out. But anyways, so this truck, like we all know, as you've seen from other videos, if you don't know what it is, just go back in my video history and you can learn about it. But basically it's a 2003 7.3 liter stock fueling from injector standpoint, pump standpoint, but does have some tuning done to it and a bunch of other parts. So if you want a list of those parts, go back. So this is kind of a recipe video, so you could follow that recipe and you would know roughly how many ponies you're going to put down if you put that recipe into yours potentially, right? So now with that said, so this thing put down, what was it, 352 horse at the rear wheels, and then as far as torque, I want to say it was right at 930 on the torque side, so not too shabby, I guess. I'm happy with that, considering where these are from a stock perspective, and how many miles are on it, so on and so forth. And that wasn't exactly the hottest tune in the world either. Was kind of smoky, and from a I'm gonna post up the video clip here in a second so you guys can watch it, but it seems to defuel on the top end, so which I think is kind of common with these, so that might be one of my next things to address. But like I said, long ways out, not really building anything for a race truck with this, but I don't know. At the end of the day, I think my goal would be around 400 to 430 at the wheels. So I'm happy, definitely, considering all factors, and that's what it is. So check out this video, and catch up with you guys later. Please comment and let me know what you think. Thanks.